Hello, my name is Mike from the Automotive Approach. Today we're going to be taking you through a quick video tour of a Ford Mondeo Titanium Estate. So this is our 2012 Ford Mondeo Titanium Estate. It's only covered 57,000 miles from new, has got 10 service stamps in the book with loads of invoices to show the work's been done over the years. Whilst in our care, we've given it a fresh MOT with no advisories, full 102-point independent mechanical inspection, and we've also had the automatic gearbox and clutch pack refurbished. All in all, it's in pretty good condition. The odd little mark here and there, but it's a 2012 car, so there is going to be the odd little stone chip. Inside, got AM FM radio, DAB radio, cruise control, steering wheel controls, air conditioning. It's a 2-litre diesel with a Powershift gearbox. Road tax is only £170 a year. You've also got Bluetooth connectivity to make phone calls and play music off your phone. Interior is all in really good condition. As usual with these Mondeos, loads of rear leg room. And of course, absolutely massive boot. So all in all, a really nice motor, nice low mileage, clearly been looked after over the years. It's in a really, really nice deep blue, good condition. And as I said, we've had the gearbox refurbished along with the clutch pack replaced as well. As always, if you like this video, please like and subscribe, it really helps us out. And if you have any more questions or queries, please get in touch.